as I grow from a boy to man, my outstanding performances and my unique style launched into a thriving music career. Now that's from Shocking Murray. You know, in Jamaica, most artists start playing with sound system. So he's telling us about the sound system in his area called the Liberaton. You know, he started playing with the Liberaton at the age of 9, started busting mic on the sound system. So he was like a superstar, young superstar in his area. Now he started playing outside, started going out to tours and blah, blah, blah. And now he's a full-fledged musician. He's come out with a couple of songs, a couple of singles. He's ready to shoot his album soon. But he's got this brand new song that he calls They Love to Hate Us. They Love to Hate Us. It's a brand new video. We're going to premiere it for the first time on ZTV worldwide. So before we do that, let's just go to the video of Shocking Murray. He has just a little information for us, and after that we'll play the video. Let's do that.
First, I would like to say thank you, Black Santino, for having me on this program. Zion TV, which is the right TV, and I would like to say a big shout out to the Ghanaian people. Enough love to you all. Saying, well, my given name is Colin Murray, and my stage name is called Shocking Murray. Well, I'm from Snowy, Portland, Jamaica, and at the moment I reside in Germany. Yeah, definitely music all the way. I have no 9-to-5 job, just strictly music. In and out of the studio, in and out of the radio station. It's just music all over. Yeah, so I'm a full-time musician. That's what I do, and that's what I love to do, and that's what I have to do. Well, I have countless singers. I might not be able to tell you statistically how many singles I have so far, but I can tell you that I have 2 albums to my career: Rise to the Top and Trodden On. And all these singles and albums are available on iTunes and Amazon and all other leading download platforms in the internet. So you can go and get your copy, make your choice. All of them is nice. Well, like I said, iTunes, Amazon, and all other leading download platforms, Spotify, they are all over the internet. Well, repatriation is a must. As a people that was taken away from Africa and that was robbed and spoiled, and we were lied to about Africa, what they taught us in schools and what they show us in documentary and the TV and all these things in the Western Hemisphere, they show us a lot of negative things about Africa. But now in this digital age where we have internet, where we can see what Africa is really like, the beauty of Africa and the beauty of the people, etc., etc., repatriation is a must. Maybe we're not gonna be able to repatriate in a multitude, but as you can see, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, step by step, we are coming along. And repatriation is a must, and it is relevant because Africa is the future. And we are coming home to build Africa. Big up to Zion TV, hosted by Black Santino. Every Sundays, you must tune in to this program.
Yeah, this is Shocking Murray, the renovator, you know. I don't like how them treat the poor people, them, you know. We see it on the television, them say them are forward and all how them can't reach. How them there? Say them a come, like them a tell. Pure deceptions from them TV channel. Uproar, and a rebel. I say we a make louder than a Haskell. Sicky worse than a sickle cell. Integral, ring it like a bell. a people we have to rise and propel. So them a treat the poor then good on in a hell. Them no love us, only love to hate us. Them no love us, only hate to love us. Them no love us, only love to hate us. Them no love us, only hate to love us. Me not defend the rich and greedy, me a defend the poor and needy. Because the rich already have a lot, but the poor they have not, yeah. Inhumane, Lord of mercy, indigent amongst the people them to stop it. Poverty make the people them not happy. If you think I like go and go check the demography. Wickedness, them a propagate. Righteousness, them no proliferate. Suffering amongst the people must be mitigated. That's the only way from poverty them a go escape. Them no love us, only love to hate us. Them no love us, only hate to love us. Them no love us, only love to hate us. Them no love us, only hate to love us. I cry for the people, and I will die for the people. From nothing to something, I know about suffering, yeah. So-called government, and you, Mr. So-called president, they want us to be obedient.